one of the charts I wanted to bring up to you is URNM. So this is the URNM chart, right? And this is going to the daily chart now. But again, if you guys recall, this is a chart that when I started the game plan about 3 weeks ago, or was doing the game plan 3+ weeks ago, and we were right here. We were literally right here, okay, just breaking out. I said, guys, this is a great chart. This is breaking out. This is uranium ETF, right? The uranium miners. Well, look at the run this thing has had. So again, the game plan, this is one that we absolutely nailed here. And my point now of bringing this to your attention is not to say to jump in board. Do not. Whatever you do, this is not the time to buy. Okay? The time to buy was on the breakout initially, right? You had this beautiful pattern, beautiful wedge pattern, all of these pivot points right here, right here. There was your breakout. All right? That's a classic pattern breakout. Now, my thing is this. Could this go a little higher? Could URNM go a little higher? The answer is yes, right? But again, you're starting to get into big resistance levels, right? You're starting to come into pivot points and you're extended. I mean, now you're up from $33 to 44. That's a huge percentage move. That's basically a 30% move. This is not the time to buy. In fact, if you did buy on this alert, this is where you're taking some off the table. Never underestimate. This is one of the biggest errors that retail investors make. They get in a trade, it starts to go in their direction, and they start to see dollar signs in their eyes. And they basically are like, oh my God, this could be the trade that does a 10x, 100x. I heard about those people with Doge. I heard about this. I heard about that. I heard about this person winning the lottery. I mean, that's basically what it is. So you have to be realistic. Those are rare situations. What you want to do, and I'm telling you how I trade, right? What I do is when I'm deep in the money, I take a little off, even here. Take a little more off here. Take a little more off here. Doesn't mean you can't hold a little bit, but the beauty of it is if it goes up, you can sell more. If it pulls back, you can rebuy, right? You can rebuy, and it gives you flexibility. The biggest thing for investors and traders is having the flexibility to maneuver. Once you lose flexibility because you went all in at one spot, you have no ability to maneuver. When that was me early in my career, I almost always lost. Once you let yourself maneuver and you can add a little bit, then take a little off, then add a little bit, it's a whole new game, and it is a mind-blowing thing in that scenario. Okay,